During an undeniably tough time for the manufacturing industry, solution solvers have come to the fore to turn the previous uncertainties caused by COVID into advantages.
We had to pivot into new markets, into new industries. As the aviation industry was dipping, the semiconductor industry was really taking off. People wanted more computers, more phones, more tablets, people working from home, and obviously electric vehicle growth is growing as well. So we've got a number of very strong pressure sensor products that we use in the semiconductor industry, and so we moved a lot of our staff from aviation products to industrial products, and now we're seeing a real boom in our industrial portfolio.
But with fresh markets comes the constantly reported headaches of supply shortages.
We've been able to find alternative components to use where components have been in short supply, and our sourcing team have moved heaven and earth to find pockets of components that have really driven our ability to keep our lead times competitive. The other part of this is cost. So those solutions do not come free of cost, and that is a challenge to the business. Some of that we've had to pass on to our customers as price impact. Some of it we've had to absorb within the business. So those things are the real impactors from the hugely disrupted supply chains of the last few years.
Druck was founded in a laundry room in Leicester. Now, its manufacturing process is steeped in a precision that only automated tech can achieve.
Our silicon wafers are manufactured through our silicon state-of-the-art cleanroom facility, where we produce hundreds of different variations and configurations of our silicon. Advanced automation within our silicon cleanroom has enabled us to triple our efficiencies through our silicon processing.
Pivot or pack up. That's been the choice for many companies. This is another example of ingenuity in the face of turmoil.